Hello students, I am Dr. D.P. Singh. You are studying ordinary differential equation. Our topic is today homogeneous linear differential equation. Homogeneous linear differential equation. A differential equation is in the form x to the power n dny upon dx n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 dn minus y upon dx n minus 1 a2 x n minus 2 dn minus 2 y dx n minus 2 plus up to so on a n minus 1 x dy upon dx plus a n y equals to q, where a0, a1, a2 are constants and q is the function of x or constant. Where a1, a2, an are constants and q is function of x and constant. Whose solution is put x equals to e to the power z or log x equals to z, dy upon dx may be written as dy upon dz into dz upon dx, 1 upon z dy upon dz differential of log x 1 upon x, differential of z with respect to z dz upon dx, or x dy upon dx equals to dy upon dz, or x d upon dx equals to d upon dz, that is operator D. Now x d upon dx x to the power n minus 1 dn minus 1 upon dx n minus 1 equals to, now x d upon dx of x to the power n minus 1 dn minus 1 y upon dx n minus 1 x, differentiating first and second, plus n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2 x to the power n dny upon dx n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 dn minus 1 y upon dx n minus 1. Right, students? And x d upon dx minus n minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1 equals to x to the power n dn y upon dxn. और d minus n plus 1 into the x to the power n minus 1 dn minus 1 y upon dx to the power n minus 1 x to the power n dn y upon dx n, that is 2. Putting n equals to 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Putting the value of n 2, 3, 4 and up to so on. d minus 1 x dy upon dx equals to x square d2y upon dx2, or x square d2 upon dx2 equals to d into d minus 1, and that is 4n equals to 2 and 4n equals to 3, we get x cube dqy upon dx cube d minus 1 d minus 2 x to the power n dn y upon dxn because d minus 1 d minus 2 d minus n plus 1. That is the process of homogeneous linear differential equation. That is the operators. We put value x d upon dx d x square d2 upon dx2 equals to d into d minus 1 x cube d cube y upon dx cube equals d minus 1 d minus 2 and up to so on. Next question. Students, we solve question number 1. The question is solve x square d2 y upon dx2 minus x dy upon dx minus 3y equals to x square log x. That is the question which will solve it. That is homogeneous solution. Which is homogeneous differential equation. Put x equals to e to the power z. Equation 1 may be written as d minus 1 minus d minus 3 into y equals to z e to the power 2z, d square minus 2d minus 3 into y equals to z e to the power 2z. Auxiliary equation m square minus 2m minus 3 equals to 0, whose factor is m square minus 3m plus m minus 3 equals to 0, m minus 3 m plus 1 equals to 0, roots minus 1 and 3, CF C1 e to the power minus z plus C2 e to the power 3z, or e to the power z equals to x, e to the power minus z equals to 1 upon x, C2 e to the power x cube, e to the power 3z means x cube, pi 1 upon fd d square minus 2d minus 3 z e to the power 2z, shifting e to the power 2z 1 upon d plus 2 square minus 2 into d plus 2 minus 3 into z 1 upon e to the power z 1 upon d square 4d minus 2d plus 2d 4 minus 4 cancel minus 3 into z. Z is algebraic function. Now pi equals to be continued e to the power 2z minus 1 upon 3 1 minus 1 upon 3 2d plus d square whole inverse into z, expanding into binomial form 1 plus 1 upon 3 2d plus d square plus up to so on into z minus 1 upon 3 e to the power 2z z plus 2 upon 3 dz 1 upon 3 d square z plus up to so on minus 1 upon 3 e to the power 2z z plus 2 by 3, putting the value of z and e to the power z e to the power 2z x square z means log x plus 2 upon 3, that is pi. Y equals to CF plus pi. Y equals CF, that is CF C1 upon x C2 x cube minus 1 upon 3 x square log x plus 2 by 3. That is the solution of the question. Once we explain it, that is homogeneous equation, putting x equals to e to the power z and log x equals to z, that is d square minus d minus 3 into y equals to, that is z log x means z, that is e to the power 2z, and auxiliary equation whose roots are minus 1 and 3 CF C1 e to the power minus z plus C2 e to the power 3z, putting the value of e to the power minus z and e to the power 3z, pi 1 upon fd of q, that is q, and by shifting operator e to the power z, e to the power z 1 upon d plus 2 whole square minus 2 into d plus 2 minus 3 into z, and solving, that is algebraic. Z is algebraic by the process of algebraic, taking common minus 3, and that is binomial form, we expand it by binomial form and multiplying by z, differential of z with respect to z, 1 differential of z 2 times 0, putting the value of z and e to the power z or y and y equals to f plus pi. That is the complete solution of this question. Okay, thanks.